Okay, you're going to rebuild the turbo. Manifolds all cleaned up, sprayed with high temperature paint, very high temperature paint apparently. This is meant to be an off metallic black. To me it looks like more like a grey really, but either there or there. My new insides, my old insides. Exactly the same, however this is an upgraded one. It's got much stronger bearings in it. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see more than there, there's a fair bit of play in that. It's probably still usable, but I'm going to go upgrade anyway, because then I know for a fact in my mind that I'm not going to have any further issues for a very long time with it. I'm going to put this on, so this wants to go on to there first, and then the whole unit back onto the main housing. Right, so now the only thing that holds it in place is this ring. So anything that holds it in place, what I do is give it a clean off. Slot it straight over. And it's going to be you want these positioned, these two lips positioned somewhere where, if you ever need to get in again, it's going to be easier. Which I think is going to probably either side, and there's less going on this side, so we'll have them up here. See, you can see it's all fitted now. What I've done basically, guesstimated where its position is. We all know it comes out the side, we all know that's obviously facing the backwards. The actuator sits on there like so, and what I've done basically is the oil drain feed that's obviously there, I've lined it up with a little plate which obviously faces down. I adapted some of these long nose pliers, bent the ends in slightly, trimmed them off either end. Perfect for squeezing the clip in rather, moving into position and releasing. Now with this, what we need to do is get the bracketry and bolt, put it into place before lowering it in. Fiddly, but doable. Lower it down gently. And what you have to do is slightly screw your nuts into a bit to start with. Right, let's get on with this then. Tighten it up. Position it so that's vertical down around there. But what we can do before it's nipped up is just have a look and see where the actuator is positioned. And what I did when to remove it, because it's the spanners are fairly thick headed, and I've shaved some, I've got 2 or 3, so I've shaved one down to about half the thickness. It seems to have done a good job, because be able to reach in and get the clearance that you need. Right, what I'll do as well, just to go around to, because you might think you're strong, but if you just stick a spanner on end and use it as leverage, get another good half turn just to nip it down. I'll do this opposite one. Another half turn just to nip it up. Down here again. That's it. Now that's perfectly clamped down. Just make sure 100% it's level. It's slightly deceiving, but I'm sure it is. That's turning perfectly fine. That's good. So I'll stick that later on. Now obviously this is under tension, so to get it, pull it out, so you can nip it onto its release valve, which isn't a brilliant job, but I suggest that what I might as well do is bolt it into place first. And basically what I'm doing, I'm basically just turning the boost up now, not to anywhere where it's dangerous, dangerously high in any way, just to give it a bit of extra kick. Nice and tight. Now, I need to pull that down, that bugger. The easiest way to do that, I think, would be to grip it with a pair of pliers, just on the nut or above the nut, and force it down, supporting it all, and all I have to do is just slip it in and over. Now there is a little clip that goes on there, and it breaks often enough when you take it off, so you probably need a replacement of that. However, they're about, you buy, is it 2 or 4 for about $2.50 or something on the internet, whereas you can get, I got a pack of 300 for £5, so why not get some more? Those are going to be there spare if you need them. That's it. And now what we'll do is get a clip on. Here's my clips. Find the right size. So on, clip it in place. That's it. Just put it in place, get a pair of pliers or whatever, and just obviously clamp it down either side of it and push it on evenly, and then you're on. Nip up the locking nut for the actuator, and that's it, that's done. Now this, I think, is shot. So what I might do is just get another piece of pipe. And a bit of pressure pipe I need. I think it was, did you get this somewhere? Yeah, it's on edge. I think it's going to be, yeah, it's too short. What I'm going to do basically, I'm going to have another piece I think. But generally, that's your turbo. Back up and running. In decent order again. Don't want to lose that. That's your pipe. Your oil pipe. banjo. And that wants to go in there. So there's your turbo up and running again. Okay, cheers for watching.